Hey everyone, it's Nisi, back from the Art Planetarium. Today we're going to do an experiment called the shrinking balloon. And we'll learn a little bit about kinetic energy and the nature of gases. For today's experiment, you will need a permanent marker or a pen, a piece of string, or here I have some ribbon, a ruler, and a balloon, the color of your choice. And I have already blown mine up. You don't need to use anything other than your lungs to blow up the balloon. Okay, so next you're going to take your string or balloon and your string or your ribbon and your balloon, and you're going to measure the circumference of your balloon. And so you're going to put this all the way around the fattest part of the balloon. Might take a couple tries. And then you're going to take your marker and you're going to mark where that is. And then you're going to take your ruler and measure from where you marked to the end. So there's 18 inches. And I'll bring that up where my nail was, right there. And there's 15 inches. Can you see that? So next, we're going to take the balloon and go put it in the freezer. Make sure you have enough space. Make sure there's nothing pokey. And make sure that you can use the freezer for about an hour to do this experiment. So while we're waiting for the balloon to sit in the freezer for the first 15 minutes, let's talk a little bit about kinetic energy. Kinetic energy is the energy that an object possesses because it is in motion. In the case of our balloon, the air molecules, which are gas molecules, are moving very quickly inside the balloon at room temperature. They are also colliding with each other. They have a lot of kinetic energy. What do you think is going to happen when the temperature decreases because the balloon has been in the freezer? Okay, it's been 15 minutes. We're going to look in the freezer and measure our balloon. So you want to take your balloon out, get your ribbon, see all my vegetables, and again you're going to want to get the end of it and you'll want to mark that, which I did, and then you'll put it back in for another 15 minutes. When the temperature decreases, the air molecules in the balloon slow down and collide with each other less often. The molecules then have less kinetic energy. This makes the balloon shrink. So I finished measuring the balloon for an hour at 15-minute intervals, and these are my measurements. How much did your balloon shrink?